Hello students, welcome to Easy Study. In this video we will see about median. What is mean by median? The segment joining the vertex and midpoint of opposite side is called as median of a triangle. So on the opposite side from a vertex, if we draw a midpoint, means on side in triangle HFC, on side HC, if we take a midpoint of HC, means let it be point D, then FD is the median in the triangle and it is on the base CH. Okay, and what is mean by median? Means midpoint is, suppose this is 4 centimeter, then it will be again 4 centimeter. So this is midpoint. Okay, now we will try to draw median in a triangle. So let it will be triangle ABC. So we have to draw median on that particular sides. So first we have to draw, means we have to find midpoint. First, to find the midpoint we will take base CB. So we have to draw midpoint on base CB. So for that we use compass. In this process we will take an iron tip on point C and we take more than a half portion of that side CB. Now we have to draw arc, one on upper side and one on lower side. Okay, then don't disturb that compass. On point B another arc. Okay, now you have to join these two points with the help of scale. Okay, so it is the midpoint of side CB. Let it will be M. Okay, now M is the midpoint on CB, and if we join line MAM, then it will be what it will be? It will be median of a triangle. It will be median, so we have to join AM. Okay, so AM is median on base BC, means these sides are equal. So this is first median. For second median, from point B, if we have to draw a median on base AC, then we have to take its midpoint. So for midpoint again we will use compass. We will put it on point C, take more than half, means approximate this must be half. So for that let's take extend it and take more than half, then one side here and one side here. Again on point A here and here. Okay, so I have got 2 points. So let's join these 2 points. Okay, after joining it, let it is point N. Now join BN. BN, if we join BN, we will got another, means second. BN is median on base AC, means on base AC. From B we have joined BN. N is the midpoint of AC. Now third, on base AB. Again we have to take compass. Take more than half. Okay. Then again draw here and draw here. From point A here and here, means these are not joining. Then again from point B, means we have got this 2.1 2. Now we have to join these 2 points. Okay. Now we got, let it will be point O. We got a midpoint such that BO is equal to AO. Now we have to join this CO. Now third, CO is median on base AB. Means we have taken M as midpoint of BC, N as midpoint of AC, and O as midpoint of AB. Then we have joined AM, BN, CO. So AM is median on BC, BN is median on AC, and CO is median on base AB. And after joining, we have seen that they meet at one point inside a circle, that one point where all the medians join, means the point of concurrence of the median is called as centroid of that triangle. Where all the medians joint in a triangle is called as centroid, and centroid is named as point G, that is capital G. So that is denoted by the point G. Okay, so G is the centroid of a triangle. Okay, then you have given some activities. Draw three different triangles, means right angle, obtuse angle, and acute angle, and you have to draw medians of the triangle. So I have already show you by drawing one acute angled triangle. So we will see another example by drawing obtuse angle triangle. Okay, I will draw one obtuse angle triangle. So I have drawn one obtuse angle triangle. So we will draw all the three medians in the triangle ABC. So first we will take midpoint of angle, means side AC. Take a compass, take more than half distance. Then you have to give arc on upper and lower side. This is upper side and this is lower side. Again, don't disturb this compass, don't adjust now. Now point A, another arc, Okay, so we have got 2 points, and if we joined these 2 points, we got one median of the triangle. Okay, so we have got this point. Means suppose this is R, let it will be point Q. Now we have to draw line segment BQ, so it will be median. Okay, so BQ is median of AC. Again from point A on side BC, again with the help of compass, take more than a half side, and we have to draw arc on upper and lower side. Again on point C, then join this, then we have got one point, suppose we will name it as point R, then join AR. So this is median. And now from point C we have to draw median on side AB, so we have to take midpoint of AB. So again with the help of this compass, more than half, again on side on point A, I am using pen because you must see the video clearly. You have to use pencil whenever possible. Okay, so this is point, let it will be point P, so join CP now. And they all meet at one single point, let it name as point G. Now G is the centroid of this triangle, and by these two triangles, means that is acute angle triangle, the centroid is in the triangle, and in obtuse angle triangle the centroid is also in the triangle, and if you draw right angle triangle, the centroid will be in the triangle, inside the triangles. So means centroid is always inside the triangle, and orthocenter is outside in the obtuse angled triangle. After that you have given one activity again. So you have to draw large triangle, you have to draw medians, and the point of concurrence will be named as G, and you have to measure this length. So we will measure this length. So which length? Suppose first length of AG, with the help of scale I will measure the length of AG. This is AG, that is 4.7 centimeter. 4.7, this is all in centimeter. After that length of GR, this is GR, two point 2.3 centimeter. This is one activity. Second, you have to measure length of BG. So what is length of BG? 1.3 or 1.2 or 3, in between this means 1.2. Then length of QG, length of QG, 0.6. This is all in centimeter. Then third is length of CG, length of CG, where is CG? Here. .8 centimeter, 4.8. Then length of AG, length of GP, length of GP we will find out. Length of GP, that is 2.4 centimeter, 2.4 centimeter. Okay, now we have already calculated. Now we have to find the ratio of length of AG is to length of GR, length of BG is to ratio length of QG, and length of CG upon length of GP. So we have to find the ratio. So if we find the ratio, what we have seen, 4.7 upon 2.3. So 2.3 is 1 times and 4.7 is 2 times. 1.2 upon 0.6. If we got decimal point, then 12 upon 6, 6 2s are 12, means 2 is to 1, 2 is to 1. Then 4.8 upon 2.4, 2 is to 1, means this ratio formed by median is always near about 2 is to 1. Okay, so this is the property of median. So you have to draw a triangle, draw the median, and you have to measure the sides, and you have to write this inside in your notebook or in textbook. You can write it, and if you find out, then you can see that the ratio is 2 is to 1. Okay, so this was the median. After that there is practice at 4.1. I will explain it in the next video. Okay, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.